Hi there everyone! Today I'm sharing a cheese-baked pork chops recipe. These baked pork chops are absolutely delicious and are sure to become a favorite. They're easy to make, tender, juicy and packed with flavor. It's a fantastic weeknight dinner. So let's get started. To start, prepare the pork. We need 1 pound of boneless pork chops. Lightly pound them with a mallet on its side. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, half teaspoon of powdered chili pepper, and half teaspoon of turmeric. Or you can use any spices of your choice. And set them aside. Next, chop up 2 large onions. Grease a baking dish or baking sheet with oil. Spread the chopped onion evenly in the dish. Sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then place the pork chops on top and set aside. Meanwhile, make the sauce. In a bowl, mix together half cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and half teaspoon of salt, or to taste. Spread the sauce over the pork chops. Optionally, you can add sliced tomato on top. Cover the dish with foil. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. After that, remove the dish from the oven. Sprinkle half cup of your favorite cheese over the pork chops and bake again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese melts and golden. Once the cheese pork chops are baked, let them rest in the baking dish about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Then serve with rice or mashed potatoes if desired. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.